Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 9. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a physical education games and sports class for the students of class 9. Let's see our today's topic. It is chapter 5, lesson number 1 and 2 discussion. I am telling again, our today's selected topic is chapter 5, lesson 1 and 2 discussion. Dear students, this book, our selected book is Physical Education, Health Science and Sports book, page number 48. I am showing you the page number. Title is Nutrition for Health. Chapter 5, page number 48. Chapter 5, Nutrition for Health, page number 48. Let's start reading. We need to understand what health is. Generally, by health we mean physical fitness or keeping free from disease. But in a broad sense, only physical fitness is not the parameter of healthiness, as mental health is also important. So physical and mental fitness together make healthiness of a person. Human beings need food to live, maintain health, physical development. The food about should be full of nutrition. The foods that keep our body healthy and strong is called nutritious food. Balanced diet supplies nutrition to body. Balanced diet includes those items of food in which all ingredients of food are available in the proper portion and quantity. So, in our book, page number 48, we can see a picture. Nice picture if you open it. It is written balanced diet. The figure's name is balanced diet. Okay? Done. Now we will go to page number 49, lesson 1. Concept of nutrition and its importance. At puberty, the adolescents experience very quick physical development. To support this physical growth and development, they need aquatic nutrition. They should take proper quantity of food with all necessary ingredients to supply energy, repair, decay, and to prevent disease at the growing stage. Lack of nutritious food causes mental and physical retardation and reduces immune system. Therefore, compared to other stages of life, people need more nutritious food at puberty. At this age, children remain busy with study, games and sports, etc. Due to their physical activity, they need more calories. The intake of low calories food hampers physical and mental development. Point number 1, it is food ingredients. There are a number of ingredients of food, namely protein, carbohydrate, fat, vitamin, minerals and water. Types of food. Any food rich in any of the ingredients is known as such. For example, any food that contains protein is known as proteins, and the food that contains carbohydrate is known as carbohydrates. Sources of nutrition and its function. Protein is necessary for our body, building, development and growth of body and to repair physical decay. Proteins are required for body energy and immunity. Fish, milk, eggs, cheese, curd, pearls, beans, etc. are common sources of protein. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy for all activities. Rice, wheat, corn, potato, sugar, honey, aram roots, sweets, etc. are sources of carbohydrate. Fats generate heat and energy for body. Butter, ghee, fat, soybean, milk, fish oil, coconut oil are the sources of fat. Vitamins are essential to prevent disease, maintain different activities inside the body and protect it from decay. Fish, meat, egg, milk, mustard oil, fish oil, green and red vegetables, fruits, beans, oil seeds, coarse rice, wheat with fiber, sprouted seeds are the sources of vitamins. Minerals are very important for internal function of the body. There are many minerals in our body, and every time there are blisters with urine, stool and sweats, they causes body decay. Some common minerals of our body are calcium, phosphorus, iodine, sodium, potassium, etc. In order to compensate the loss of minerals, we take salt, milk and milk food small fish, meat, yak, bean, vegetable pulses, lime, banana, green coconut, water, etc. 70% of our body consists of water. Water helps in maintaining the body's structure, keeps the body cool and active, helps digest food, helps in blood circulation, transpiration of nutrition inside the body, and also it helps in exertion. Timely intake of sufficient amount of food is necessary for maintenance and development of body. By appropriate food, we mean a balanced diet. Balanced diet supplies required calories to the body. A balanced diet contains the proper amount of each of the 6 nutrients mentioned above the figures. Okay, now we have read this. Dear students, you will read so look here, column A and column B at home. Now we will go to lesson number 2. Causes of malnutrition remedies. Try to understand. It is causes of malnutrition and remedies. Point number 2. We need food to live and maintain health and physical development. Food supplies nutrition to the body. Symptoms of proper nutrition are enthusiasm and hard work. We need energy to work. Nutritious foods supply energy. 6 nutrients of foods supply energy to our body are functions of nutrients. Different nutrients have different functions. Functions of these nutrients includes body building, growth, development, repair of decay, heat and energy supply, heat and energy production, development and maintenance of organs, blood circulation, nutrition supply, registers of urine and stool. Requirements of balanced diet. Foods contains all the 6 nutrients proportionately are called a balanced diet, but its requirements vary according to age and sex. For example, requirements of proteins, carbohydrates, fats and other nutrients by an adolescent is higher than of a child. Again, amount of food required by a player or learner is even higher than that of an adolescent. Now point number next, it is malnutrition related disease. Muscles will decay instead of development in the case of there is a deficiency of protein in the child. Due to proteins deficiency, fluid volume increases in the body and the child becomes very weak. This disease is known as kwashiorkor. On the other hand, a child will suffer from a disease called marasmus as a result of deficiency of proteins, fat, etc. Iron, proteins and other nutrition produce hemoglobin in blood. Due to deficiency of these nutrients in food, a disease called anemia takes place. Deficiency of calcium, phosphorus and vitamin D causes children suffer from a disease called ricket. Deficiency of iodine is responsible for goiter. Deficiency of vitamin A reduces eyesight at night, which is called night blindness. Beriberi for their thiamine deficiency, mouth sore for riboflavin deficiency, scurvy for vitamin C deficiency are some diseases related to the malnutrition. Next, causes of malnutrition. The main causes of malnutrition is ignorance and lack of awareness. It is a serious mistake to give fish head, cream, cheese, big piece of meat and meat to the senior members of the family, leaving the growing children aside. Adult people require less proteins and fat, whereas growing children and teenagers require much more protein and fat in their food. Lack of proper distribution of food according to requirements of specific age groups, major causes of malnutrition. Remedies for malnutrition. So look, there are 9 points. Family heads should know the low cost food with the same nutrition value. We should avoid superstition and wrong perceptions about food such as dark eggs, boiled fish, gajar fish, pumpkin, etc. Parents should know about the necessity of nutritious food. Parents should know about the cooking of for a long time spoils food value of the many vegetables and greens. Vegetables should be washed before cutting them. Guardians should be encouraged to rear poultry and cows in the houses to address the deficiency of protein. We should try to eat small fish if big fish is expensive. We should prepare a list of food according to food value and select daily meal to ensure nutrition for the family. Last point, wide publicity for nutrition, malnutrition and remedies through radio, television and newspaper should be ensured. Dear students, I hope that you have understood this class. It is from chapter 5, lesson 1 and 2. This class will help you very much to understand about the food values and the remedies of malnutrition. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.